Welcome. Today, we are diving into something every automation team absolutely needs to get right: QA review. It's one of the most important steps in the test automation lifecycle, and mastering it can save your team hundreds of hours in repairs and rework. QA review is all about making sure every automated process, whether built by a new engineer or an experienced one, follows consistent, reliable best practices. It promotes reusability, minimizes rework, and keeps projects running smoothly. So what exactly is QA review? Think of it as a quality checkpoint where we confirm that a process is built the right way before it ever reaches the business owner for approval. This step helps maintain quality, reliability, and scalability across all automation processes. And here's the important part: the reviewer isn't there to fix issues for the engineer. Their goal is to ensure engineers understand and follow best practices so they can build the process correctly from the start. It takes time, but the payoff is huge: less rework and far more stability. Before we go deeper, let's look at where QA review sits within the typical 6-stage test automation lifecycle. Quality review is right in the middle of the 6 steps, after the test automation is built using Worksoft Certify, and before the business signs off on the test. This video focuses on QA review. For information on other stages, refer to our video on the overview of CAP, which is available on Worksoft University, YouTube, and LinkedIn. When does QA review happen? A process becomes eligible for QA review once it has been built and executed successfully 3 times without any manual intervention. At that point, a lead or peer reviewer steps in to evaluate the process against established best practices. Here's the workflow in a nutshell. The reviewer checks the process using the QA review checklist tracker, which is a spreadsheet filled with review items. Any discrepancies get documented in that tracker, and the process is sent back to the automation engineer. The engineer fixes the issues, updates the tracker with closing dates, reruns the process 3 times, and resubmits it for review. This cycle continues until the process meets all review criteria. It may feel repetitive, but this loop is what builds robust, reliable automation. Let's take a look at the QA review tracker itself. It comes with 2 sheets: review analysis and review checklist. The checklist contains all the review elements, and the analysis sheet is where you log issues. You can customize the tracker by adding the customer's logo and name. Add the process name and any issue details that need to be corrected when issues come up. Select the issue type from the drop-down. Add a short description. Include the reviewer's name, review date, and process automation engineer details. Clear out the close date field because the issue isn't fixed yet. The reviewer then updates the process development status inside Certify from QA review to in progress and shares the tracker with the engineer. The engineer fixes the issues and updates the closed dates, after which it is sent back for the reviewer to confirm everything is resolved. Once all issues are closed, the reviewer sends the process to business owner sign-off. The full QA checklist contains 17 items, but in this video, we'll cover the first 3. The rest are in the next video: How to QA Review and E2E Process, continued. Checklist Item 1. Run the process 3 times. Execute it once from Certify and twice from CTM using the Run in CTM option. You should see 3 past results and the results created by the engineer and Worksoft Certify agent. Now, here's something important to check while reviewing those test runs: look at the Created by User ID field in Certify. It should show 2 things: the automation engineer's user ID for the Certify run, and the Worksoft Certify agent for the CTM runs. This confirms that the process is executed from CTM without manual intervention. Minor variations in the execution duration are fine, but major variations may indicate a performance issue that needs attention. The next item is checklist item 2, attributes. Make sure all attributes are correctly populated for the end-to-end process. Utilities and subprocesses don't require any changes to the attributes, or they will have a default one. Process type is subprocess. Let's review your checklist item 3, data creation process. Your process should use either reusable master data or be capable of generating its own transactional data. Avoid relying on consumable data. It introduces manual intervention and breaks repeatability. And that wraps up the first part of the QA review checklist. Come back for How to QA Review an E2E Process Continued, where we'll walk through the remaining checklist items and dive even deeper into building high-quality automated processes. Thank you. We hope you have found this short video to be helpful and informative. Please visit us online on YouTube and LinkedIn.